Here's a 2018 Audi A3 sedan. From the beautiful exterior to the power and precision of the engine, this A3 is crafted to give you a luxury compact that makes a big impression. And the good news continues. For 2018, 2 USB ports and heated front seats are standard on all A3s. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Streaming audio, front heated leather bucket seats, wireless phone connectivity, power sliding and tilting sunroof, auto shift manual transmission, 4-wheel drive, AM/FM satellite radio, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Road and Track points out, inside, the A3 sedan's cabin lives up to every expectation you might have based on prior experience in modern Audis. From the beautiful exterior to the power and precision of the engine, this A3 is crafted to give you a luxury compact that makes a big impression. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.